Afternoon, folks. It's another beautiful day, another caftan. I was lucky enough to get my hands on some prawns, and a friend of mine just had some prawns. She posted it on Facebook, and I went, oh, yum. And prawn cocktail, beautiful, classic. So I thought I'd do a prawn cocktail sauce, but I'm not doing the normal traditional Murray Rose, which is just mayo, Tabasco, Worcestershire sauce, lemon. I'm doing, oh, and tomato sauce. I thought, well, what would Swaino do? You know, I don't have to do anyone else's recipe. So this is what I like as a prawn cocktail sauce, and it's hot, it's spicy, it's smoky, but that's just me. And I don't like it all mayo, and I don't like it all cream. So there's two different ways of doing it. Well, not two, there's many, of course, but some people just use mayo, some people just use cream. I'm going to use a mix because that's what I would do. What would Swaino do? I'm going to use a mix. So I'm going to use just a little bit of cream. I'm only doing a small amount because I haven't got that many prawns. So I'm going to go, oh look, we'll make enough sauce for one. I'm just going to go cream and almost the same amount of mayo, not quite. Okay, almost the same amount of cream, mayo, mix together. Now I've got, I make a beautiful chipotle hot sauce. That's what I'm using as instead of tomato sauce or ketchup. I'm going to put in my own yummy sauce, so it's hot. So you put in, I don't know, much as you like. I've just put in possibly about a dessert spoonful. I also make my own fermented chili sauce, which is like Tabasco, but Tabasco is a brand. It's not the actual sauce. It's fermented chili sauce. So I'm going to put in, look at the color of that. Isn't that just amazing? So good. All right, so I'm going to put in maybe drizzle, you know, teaspoon or so. I'm also going to put in my fave, white pepper, because I like it, and Worcestershire sauce, or Worcester sauce, about I don't know, how much was that, and a spoonful or so, and a squeeze of lime or lemon. I've only got lime, so squeeze. Oh, and for a bit of added smokiness, I'm going to put in just a pinch or so of smoked paprika, and we'll mix. We'll do it with a fork. Is that all I've got in there? Now, guaranteed, this sauce is going to be pretty damn amazing. Okay, so I reckon it needs a bit more sweet. So I'm going to put in, not tomato sauce, I'm going to put in a bit of barbecue, right? Just from the shop. A little bit of barbecue. Only because, I don't know, I'd rather taste barbecue flavours than tomato sauce flavours. That's just me. I think that'll be good now. Okay, let's have a go. Spot on. Beautiful. Yum. It's hot. There's a bit of heat. The white pepper is yum. It's that mid-palate white pepper coming through. It's still a little bit sweet, tangy. Mayo. It's so good. So, you know, I reckon make up your own sort of thing as you go, but that's what Swaino would do. I'm going to compile it. I might come back with another part of how to compile it, but it doesn't really matter because I haven't got any iceberg anyway. So I was going to use cucumber strips. Maybe we'll do that in another little episode. Okay, cheers everyone. Woohoo, prawns coming up. Over and out. Please subscribe.